Hello, and welcome to another episode of Mike's Horsepower Garage. In today's video, I'm going to be changing out the sprockets and chain on a YAMAHA YZ250F. Now this process is going to be pretty much the same for any type of motorcycle. You're going to want to start by removing the rear wheel, which I've already done. And to do that, you're going to need to move these adjusters here. There's a little nut right here. You loosen this and then screw this all the way in, which will allow you to push the wheel forward to get the chain off. So once you loosen the adjusters, you can go ahead and unbolt and pull out the axle, push the rear wheel forward, get the chain off the sprocket, and then you can remove the rear wheel. Now after the wheel's off, you simply need to unbolt the old sprocket and then bolt on the new one. It's pretty straightforward. Our old worn out sprocket is a 53 tooth and it was just too big, and it was down here. It had the chain running real low and rubbing on the chain guide constantly, which wore out the chain on the edges pretty bad too. See, here's the wear that the chain guard had done to the chain. The tops here aren't even round anymore. But this 53 tooth made the bike just a little too twitchy, causing it to want to wheelie real easily. So we went ahead and installed a 50 tooth. We brought it down 3 teeth, but it's still 2 teeth over stock, so it should help with throttle response a little bit, but not making it want to wheelie all the time. So once we get the rear wheel out of the way, next we need to remove the front sprocket. And then after that we can break the chain and get the chain off. And you just gotta look for the link on the chain that has the clip and pop it off. There we go. Alright, now it's time to put the new stuff on. Now for our new chain, we went with D.I.D 520VX3, so it's an X-ring sealed chain, so it should last a long time, and it has a real high tensile strength, so we shouldn't have any problems for years with our chain. Make sure you look out for your link kit, and then there's directions on the back of the box here. Go ahead and follow those. Okay, now go back and get the axle, get it in, and then that part goes towards the. Turn it as you're pushing. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Just push it in. There you go. Alright, we got the wheel on, we got the adjusters in. This is where we're going to break it from, so then our link is going to join these two parts, and then it should give us enough room to be able to adjust the chain out. Let's go ahead and break off the portion we don't need. This chain breaker is not the best. There we go. That's it. The new sprockets and chain are in. If you look here with the 50, it comes off the chain guide and goes straight, but with the 53 it was pushing it down like that onto the chain guard, causing premature wear on the chain. But now that's all taken care of and we shouldn't have any issues. The chain has been adjusted and the bike is running great. The only problem we ran into was removing the unneeded links from the new chain. That cheap Harbor Freight chain breaker I was using just wasn't getting the job done. So we had to grind off the head here on the pin before it could be pushed through. But other than that, it was a pretty easy install. Okay, well thanks for joining me for today's video. Please give me a like and smash that subscribe button. Thanks again for watching.